Everyone, in this video I solved a problem from probability. Okay, the question is, if out of 20 consecutive whole numbers 2 are chosen at random, then find the probability that their sum is odd. So if we take 2 even, we got even, right? If you take one odd, one even, you are getting odd number. So when you add an odd and even number, you will get the odd number as their sum. So there will be 10 even and 10 odd numbers, in total 20 whole numbers. So from 20 numbers, number of ways we can choose 2 numbers from 20 whole numbers is 20 C2. Okay, here selecting the values, so we go it comes under combination. So next, from 10 even numbers we have to choose one even number, and the remaining 10 odd numbers we have to choose one odd number, right? So therefore the number of ways to select one odd and one even in 10 and 10 odd and 10 even numbers is given by 10C1 into 10C2. Sorry, 10C1 into 10C1. That means in 10 even numbers you have to select one even, and in 10 even numbers you have, and in 10 odd numbers you have to choose one odd number. So the total probability what you will get, probability to get the sum is odd, is given by, so the probability to get the sum odd number is given by the number of favorable events by total number of events we get. Okay, this is 10C1. From 10 even you have to select one, and from 10 odd you have to select one. By total you have to select 2 from total 20 numbers. So this can be written as what? 10 NCR. NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, right? So here n is 10, r is 1. Using that formula, we substituted the values and we got the answer. Here 10 by 10 minus 1 is 9. 1 factorial is 1. And here again you will get the same. Okay, like this if you calculate you will get the answer 10 by 19. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.